Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, with guess who?
It's me, Hungry Mom.
This is my mom, and she's here to be my taste test buddy because I'm visiting her. Where?
In Arizona.
Yes, we're in Arizona, and she is helping me with taste tests today. And we're going to try right now an item that I know my mom has never seen, and maybe you guys have never seen it either. These are Kraft macaroni and cheese gummies.
Oh my God.
Wait, what does this look like to you?
It looks like macaroni.
Looks like a macaroni and cheese box.
Yes.
And there's gummies inside.
Oh,
candy.
Lord. Let's try it.
Do you think they're going to taste like, what do you think they're going to taste like? Mac and cheese? Or do you think they're going to taste like something else? They look like mac and cheese.
Yes.
Isn't that weird?
Oh my God.
Wait, do you want these to taste like cheese or something else?
I'll take the cheese.
Wait, you want it to be cheesy? Take one. This really does look like a piece of macaroni. Such a weird product. Oh, it tastes like tropical fruit.
Oh my God. Oh, it's chewy.
Very, it's a gummy. What do you think?
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah, it's like a gummy bear. It doesn't taste like mac and cheese.
It's good.
You love it?
I guess I love everything.
You love everything. 5 servings, 7 pieces, 90 calories.
I'm eating it.
13 grams of sugar. All right, what I like about them is they look like mac and cheese. I think they're really cute.
I like gummies.
All right.
I would buy it.
You buy everything.
I'm out. Pig.
Say goodbye to the people.
Goodbye.